It's okay. You're safe. You're going to be fine. Hospitals can be noisy. A lot is happening here that can feel overwhelming. Wouldn't it be better if we could make it all stop? Actually, you don't want complete silence in the hospital. It feels eerie. Not all noise is bad, especially in the hospital. The sounds you hear tell us people are being cared for. Listen closely, and you'll hear the hospital staff in the corridor. Doctors, nurses, receptionists, cleaners, porters. Everyone and everything plays their part here. Ventilators, heart rate monitors. The constant beeps and blips can be irritating, but these sounds tell us they are working. These machines keep people alive and help them recover. The voices of other patients' family and friends can sometimes be seen as a nuisance. But remember, each new visitor brings comfort and hope. They play an important role in helping patients recover. The sound from an open window, and even the traffic, offers a glimpse of the outside world. It's good to know it's still there and waiting for us to get better. When you next visit the hospital, take a moment to consider the sounds that surround you, because these sounds save lives.